is electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. A static electric field may be due to a positive charge or negative charge. Unlike magnetic pole, which exists always in pair, but in electrostatic, positive and negative electric charges can exist in isolate. In case of magnetostatic, magnetic field lines can exist in both the poles. Whereas in electrostatic, positive electric charge and negative electric charge can exist in isolate. Let's see the animation. Field due to positive charge. The electric field lines are always moving from positive charge. Electric field lines always moving from positive charge. And this is the field due to negative charge. Electric field lines always moving towards negative charge from infinity. Electric field due to negative charge and electric field due to positive charge. See the animation. Two-point charges. 2-point charges. Electric field is 0. Between 2-point charges, electric field is 0. Between two negative charges, electric field is 0. The presence or absence of the electric field in a region can be determined by placing a small test charge in the region. And positive charge and negative charge electric field lines direction. Electric field lines start on positive charge and end on negative charges. The direction of the electric field line at a point is the direction of the electric field. The direction of the electric field line at a point is the direction of the electric field at that point. Electric field lines from a point charge. See the animation. Once again. If a small test charge, consider a fixed charge. The fixed charge is plus capital Q, and consider a small test charge small q near to the fixed charge. So find out the electric field intensity small test charge due to the fixed charge Q. And this is the fixed charge capital Q. Consider a small test charge. This is the small test charge small q. That small test charge Q is placed near to the fixed charge. Find out the electric field intensity small test charge due to fixed charge Q. What is electric force? The force between any two particles due to existing charges. The force between any two particles due to existing charges is known as electric force. What is electric field intensity? Electric field intensity is given by or defined as electric force per unit test charge. Electric field intensity is defined as electric force per unit charge. This can be represented by a symbol E bar. Electric field intensity is represented by symbolically E bar. Electric field intensity is a vector quantity. Electric field intensity is a vector quantity. Electric field intensity sometimes is called as simply electric field or electric intensity. Electric field intensity is also called as electric field strength. The dimensions of electric field intensity is volts per meter or newtons per coulomb. What is the definition of the electric field intensity? Force per unit charge. Force is measured in newtons and charge is measured in coulombs. Newtons per coulomb or volts per meter. The direction of the electric field is the direction of the electric force. The direction of the electric field is the direction of the electric force. Mathematically, the electric field intensity is given by E bar is equal F bar by Q. E bar is equal F bar by Q. Electric field intensity is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. So, E bar is equal F bar by Q. In case of magnitude, magnitude of E bar is equal magnitude of F bar by Q. First calculate the magnitude force. Fixed charge and test charge. At the test charge, small q, due to the fixed charge, the force is F bar is F magnitude of F bar or F is equal capital Q into Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So what is the definition of the electric field intensity? Force per unit test charge. Small q is coming to the LHS side. We have magnitude of F bar by Q. Magnitude of F bar by Q is the electric field intensity. Therefore, the magnitude of the electric field intensity at test charge small q due to the fixed charge capital Q is given by capital E bar is magnitude of E bar is equal Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into AR bar. Where AR bar is that is only the magnitude of the electric field intensity. In terms of unit vector, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into AR bar. So once again, the magnitude of the electric field intensity, magnitude of E bar is equal Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So this equation is called as magnitude of the electric field intensity at a test charge small q due to the fixed charge capital Q. In terms of unit vector, the electric field intensity due to the fixed charge capital Q is given by E bar is equal Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into AR bar, where AR bar is the unit vector in the direction out in the outward direction from AR bar is the unit vector along the outward direction radial from the charge Q. AR bar is the unit vector in the direction along outward direction radial from the charge Q. Next, electric field intensity due to array of point charges. If we have an array of the point charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on, Qn are array of the point charges. So find out the total electric field intensity at the test charge. Consider the test charge at point P due to array of the point charges. So draw the vector lines from charge Q1 to the point P and charge Q2 to the point P, charge Q3 to point P, charge Q1 to point P. So Q1 to point P, the position vector is R1, Q1 to point P, the position vector R2, Q3 to point P, the position vector R3 and so on. Qn to point P, the position vector is R. So calculate the electric field intensity at a point P due to an array of the charges. So first calculate the individual electric field intensities. First calculate individual electric field intensity. What are the individual electric field intensity? Find out the electric field intensity at a point P due to charge Q1. Find the electric field intensity at point P due to charge Q2. Find the electric field intensity at point P due to charge Q3. Find the electric field intensity at point P due to Q1. So therefore, the total electric field intensity at point P is the algebraic summation of the individual electric field intensity. That is, E bar is equal E1 bar plus E2 bar plus E3 bar and so on En bar. In case of magnitude, magnitude of E bar is equal magnitude of E1 bar, magnitude of E2 bar plus magnitude of E3 bar plus and so on magnitude of En bar.
అప్పు ఇదిగో రేపు గో చిచి మంచిగా చేస్తారంటే వెళ్దాం
మధ్యలో రావద్దని చెప్పాను.
సరేనా?
సరే వెళ్ళిందా చెప్పా కదా. So the electric field intensity due to the point charge Q is already calculated in previous class. What is the electric field intensity? The electric field intensity due to the charge Q is already explained in previous topic. So what is the electric field intensity at point P due to the charge Q? E bar is equal Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into AR bar. Now here calculate the electric field intensity at point P due to array of the charges. The first electric field intensity at a point P due to the charge Q1 is given by E1 bar is equal Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R1 square into AR1 bar. And the second electric field intensity, the electric field intensity at point P due to charge Q2 is given by E2 bar is equal Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R2 square into AR2 bar. And similarly, nth point charge, the electric field intensity at point P due to nth charge Q1 is En bar is equal Qn by 4 pi epsilon naught Rn square into Arn bar. Therefore, the total electric field intensity at point P is E bar is equal E1 bar plus E2 bar plus E3 bar and so on En bar. Substitute individual electric field intensities in this equation. Therefore, E bar is equal Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R1 square AR1 bar plus Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R2 square AR2 bar plus and so on Qn by 4 pi epsilon naught Rn square AR bar. From the above equation may also be written as in terms of summation 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma k is equal to 1 to n qk by rk square into ark bar, where ark bar is the unit vector. ark bar is the unit vector directed from kth charge to point P. Kth charge to point P. Array of the point charges to point P. Q suffix k is the kth charge. Rk is the distance of kth point to point P. So this is the concept of electric field intensity